Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and welcome to Chef Michael's Food Hacks. We are making barbecue tempeh today, stir-fried vegetables and konjaku noodles. This is totally gluten-free. Tempeh is fermented soybeans. It's been used as a protein substitute or just a protein in Asia for 5,000 years or more. Now the water's almost dissipated, so I'm going to push this off for a second. I also want to show you what else I have over here. I've got some konjaku noodles. All right, these noodles are really cool because they're made from a potato-like plant. It's a gluten-free pasta. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to steam that with a little bit of chicken broth. Then I've got some stir-fried vegetables, and I'm going to show you how to do stir-fry today. So the next thing we're going to do with the tempeh, so I'm going to take it out. I'm going to toss it with a little oil right in the pan. I'm going to put it on a baking sheet, and I'm going to put it in a 450-degree oven just to brown it all the way around for about 8 minutes. Okay, I'm going to stir fry the vegetables now. Now stir fry is really steam fry, okay? Very little bit of oil. I'm going to add the vegetables. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let them wilt a little bit. I'm going to add a little vegetable stock. And I'm going to cover it. So another tip is here, don't move the pan when you move the product around. Just hold on to the pan and move it with the spatula. Don't move the pan so the heat is maintained, okay? And also what's nice about stir fry, it kind of brings out the color. And also it only cooks the vegetables partially. So you're getting a partially raw product with your food. All right, I'm going to add the vegetable stock to that. I'm going to finish it, and then I'm going to show you how to put the whole dish together. Okay, I want to put this plate together for you real quick. First I'm going to put the tempeh on the plate. Now what I did was I just tossed the tempeh in with the barbecue sauce. I didn't drown it, just covered it. Some people, they like to cook it in the barbecue sauce. I don't like that. Tempeh has a really nice nutty flavor to it, so it's kind of silly. Okay, put some tempeh on the plate. Now we're going to put some of the stir-fried vegetables on here. Okay, then I got some of the konjaku. I'm probably not saying it right. Okay, I'm going to put that on the plate, and then the meal's done. Look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, so there you go. You got your starch, which is all, and by the way, this whole meal is gluten-free, high in protein, high in fiber, and just amazingly high in flavor. I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Please stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, when you eat well, you live well. Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.